My name is Anne, and together with PlayPauseBe, we've recorded and came up with the Mudra course. Mudras are energetic gestures that can be done with the hand and also with the body, but this course is focused on the hands and how we can use the hands to contain the energy that we create with yoga asana and pranayama, and how we can amplify it, and from that place how we can also express it more freely into the world. So the sections are focused on the 5 elements and how they are connected with, for example, our freedom of speech, when we need more power, when we need more relaxation or release in the emotions for more vitality. There's many purposes. And then we have a special edition where essentially you will find routines that are focused on anxiety release, that are focused on freedom of sexual energy, freedom of heightened intuition, many topics. And yes, you're free to explore. They are combined with pranayamas and with mantra and affirmations, all rooted in the yoga tradition, but with an application to our everyday life and how we can be more vibrant as human beings, as yoga teachers, and most of all in all of our relationships with both our community and with the world. So we're super excited to introduce you to these mudras, to these energetic yogic seals, and to make a beautiful addition to your asana practice that will touch you on multiple levels and leave you changed forever.